Hey guys, this is Yaw. You're welcome back to another lesson right here on LearnAkan.com. So today I want us to look at the conjunction because in Twi. So far we've looked at a few other conjunctions in the Twi Conjunctions Series. If you missed any, please click on the link above to go check them out. But today I want us to focus on the conjunction because. Let's get to know how to say because in Twi as well as how to use it. Coming up. So let's start with how to say because in Twi. Now, there are two ways of expressing the conjunction because in Twi, and you can use any of them, all right? So for the first one, we have efrise, all right? And then for the second one, we have esanise. Again, you can use any of them in any of the instances and it will work. Now, the conjunction because is used to state a reason for something that is said before it. All right. So usually the conjunction because will follow a statement, a claim, and then right after the because, a reason will be given for that statement or claim. Right. So in English, you can say, for example, I drank water because I was thirsty, for example, right? So I drank water is the statement, right? I drank water, and then the reason why I drank the water is because I was what? Thirsty, all right? So that is the structure, and it is no different in Twi. So in Twi, we'll start with the statement, right? The claim, and then the because will come, and then we'll have a reason for the statement that came before, okay? So let's see some examples here. For the first example, we can have mekyea asori efrise mekyea ukristoni. Mekyea asori efrise mekyea ukristoni. So we have the statement first, which is mekyea asori, I go to church, right? And then we introduce the, conjunction because, which is efrise here. Again, you can change this. You can use esanise, right? And then we give the reason why I go to church, and that is mekyea ukristoni. So mekyea asori efrise mekyea ukristoni. I go to church because I'm a Christian. That's not a good enough reason to go to church, but you get it. So you have mekyea asori efrise mekyea ukristoni. Let's take another example. So we have yɛfrɛ yaw ɛsiane sɛ yɛwoo me yawada. Yɛfrɛ yaw ɛsiane sɛ yɛwoo me yawada. All right? Yɛfrɛ yaw ɛsiane sɛ yɛwoo me yawada. All right? So we have yɛfrɛ yaw, I'm called Yaw. All right? Ɛsiane sɛ because yɛwoo me yawada, I was born on a Thursday. All right. So again, we can replace the esanise here with efrise, and then we have yɛfrɛ yaw efrise yɛwoo me yawada. Let's take another example. We have medwaneyɛ ɛsiane sɛ na mefɛre. Medwaneyɛ ɛsiane sɛ na mefɛre. Again, we can change esanise with efrise, and then we have medwaneyɛ efrise na mefɛre. Medwaneyɛ efrise na mefɛre. Okay, so dwane is to run away, right? To bolt, right? So medwaneyɛ, I ran away, as in the past, because I was shy, all right? So fɛre is to be shy. So another example, we have medi kwame aduane no efrise na ɛkɔm de me. Medi kwame aduane no efrise na ɛkɔm de me. All right? So we have medi kwame aduane no, I ate Kwame's food. Efrise because, again, we can replace this with esanise, right? Na ɛkɔm de me. So ɛkɔm de me is I'm hungry, right? And then we have the na to situate this within the past, all right? So we have na ekom deme, I was hungry, all right? Me di kwame eduane no. If we say na ekom deme. So if we replace the if we say here with esane say, then we have me di kwame eduane no. Esane say na ekom deme, all right? Me di kwame eduane no. Esane say na ekom deme. Let's look at one more example. We have mekyea hwee. Esane say na meniso brime. Mekyea hwee. Esane say na meniso brime. Mekyea hwee. Esane say na meniso brime. Okay? So twahwe is to collapse, right? So when you suddenly fall to the floor, right? That is twahwe. So we have mekyea hwee in the past. I collapsed, right? Esane say because na meniso brime. So we use eniso biri to say to feel dizzy. All right? So if I say meniso brime, I mean I feel dizzy. This is actually where we get the noun enisubiri from, right? So there's a noun enisubiri or enisubirie, and that means dizziness. All right? So we have mekyea hwee. Esane say na meniso brime. Mekyea hwee. Esane say na meniso brime. Right, so we end today's lesson here. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so before you leave. And if you missed out on any of our earlier lessons in the Twi Conjunctions series, this is a good time to go check them out. Thank you guys, and I hope to catch you next time. It's bye for now.